Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store in KSA. First, you'll want to choose a memorable name and sign up for your Shopify account. Next, select a visually appealing theme that resonates with customers in Saudi Arabia. Spend some time customizing your store's look and feel to reflect your brand identity. Finally, configure your basic settings, ensuring your currency is set to Saudi Riyals and language preferences are correct for your audience. Once your store's foundation is ready, it's time to add your products. Upload clear, high-resolution images and write compelling descriptions that highlight key features. Organize your inventory into logical collections, making it simple for customers to find what they need. For payments, integrate popular local options like MADA and SDC Pay. Also, ensure you offer widely used international methods such as Visa and MasterCard to cater to all customers. Shipping is crucial for customer satisfaction. Configure your shipping zones and rates accurately for different regions within Saudi Arabia. Consider partnering with trusted local carriers such as Aramex or SMSA Express for efficient delivery. It's also vital to understand KSA's e-commerce regulations and consumer protection laws to ensure compliance. Always display a clear return policy and comprehensive terms of service on your website. With everything in place, it's time to plan your marketing strategy. Focus on reaching customers within Saudi Arabia through relevant channels. Leverage popular social media platforms like Instagram and X, formerly Twitter, to engage your audience. Implement local search engine optimization techniques to help customers find your store easily. Finally, launch your store with confidence and continuously monitor its performance to make informed improvements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.